Hi everybody, it's that time of year again. Craftstash has the Crafter's Companion 2020 Advent Calendar available for sale now. They're going for approximately $27 Canadian. They're also available at Crafter's Companion US website, probably the UK website also, for various prices depending on the currency and the country. This year's format is a stamp with the corresponding die, and they're very, very cute. I've already started my video series, I guess they're called, for this particular Advent calendar, learning from last year that I don't leave it until December to start doing the videos. So I'm looking forward to that. I hope you guys all grab a kit and we can all play along together in December. Thanks for hanging out, guys, and I will see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.